Hello and welcome to my video. We are at John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park Campground. We're on site 39. The good part about it, it's close to the comfort station. It's kind of tight for a 40-footer. Give you the little walk around. Got a nice little concrete patio. Somebody already had the picnic table out of the way. Got a little walkway back here. Oh, I see. Probably ADA, because it goes up to the restroom. Okay. Well, there you have it. It's amazing that there's a sewer here. They're not to be used, I don't think, though. Okay. That's the end of my video.